Hey Crackmaniacs, Dr. Jason Tirado. Today we are going to do an unboxing. I've got a very special surprise for you. People at Fusion CBD sent me a package. I have no idea what's inside here, but I know that the company's fantastic because I used to order Fusion CBD for my dog, and I know that they make really great products. So if you know anything about me, and if you've seen my videos, you'll always see my dog in the background. You've even probably seen the videos of me adjusting my dog, and some of those videos have even gone viral. And you know, my dog means everything to me. She had some muscle ache, so Fusion CBD was fantastic for helping my dog get over her muscle pain and her muscle ache. So let's unbox this right now. Let's go check out what's inside here. Check this out. So they've got water bottles inside here, Fusion CBD sports water, CBD instant freeze. This is a cream that you can use to put on the muscles to help prevent muscle ache, and it's really great for athletes also. CBD intensive relief rub, and you can even see, if you look real close, it's 10% of this is also made with emu oil, which is a fantastic blend. This is going to be great for my patients. The CBD Instant Freeze is great because I can use this on my patients that I do Grafton on. And you know what? I'll even show that to you a little bit later on in this video. The CBD Intensive Relief Rub, this is going to be used for muscles to be able to rub in and massage into those sore and achy muscles. Again, I have no idea what's inside these boxes, so your guess is as good as mine. Awesome, look at this. So they've got 3 more bottles of Fusion CBD sports water, and you'll see that the pH on the sports water is 9, so it's really an alkaline water, which is fantastic for just helping you burn calories, helping you just changing the alkalinity inside your body. And the more alkaline your body is going to be, the better it's going to be able to fight off like joint pain, arthritic pain, and also infection. So let's see what else is here. They also sent me a massage oil, a CBD massage oil. It's got 100 milligrams of CBD. Fusion CBD also sent me tablets. These are 500 milligram CBD tablets. This is going to be extremely effective for the pain inside joints and muscles. It'll help reduce inflammation inside the body. So these are all the products that Fusion sent me. They sent me the massage oil, they sent me the water, they sent me the CBD tablets, 500 milligrams. They also sent me more water. They sent me the CBD Instant Freeze. And they also sent me the CBD Intensive Relief Rub, which is great for muscle and joint pain. Now, you're going to get to see me using it in action on my patients. Okay, so the first thing I do is I'm going to add some of this CBD Intensive Relief Rub. Okay. And we're going to work these muscles inside here to get them to loosen up a little bit.
It's jam, right?
Yep, this is a gel.
Yeah.
This is a gel that has...
No, it is jam. The muscle jam.
Yes, the muscles are jammed inside here, and so this, the CBD, this rub is going to actually cause these muscles to loosen up a little bit. So you have some swelling inside here, and so this is going to actually decrease the swelling and relax the muscles a little bit. Okay? So let me just spread it around first, and I just want you to breathe nice and easy, just nice and easy. Just going to spread it around.
There's a lot of pain on there, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I wake up at 1 o'clock in the night, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and I cannot sleep again.
Yes.
Then after half hour, I take tablets, put some Ben-K.
Yes.
Then get little, you know, help, and then sleep. Again wake up. After 1 hour, that pillows are not going to work. I leave. It's not working that much. Too early. I take too early at a time.
This is going to be much better than Ben-Gay, this cream, because this is going to go deep into the muscle, and it'll relax the muscle. Okay?
Because this leg,
yes,
I think everything is, whatever I eat, it comes right, everything down there.
I want you to relax a little bit, okay? Just relax a little bit. Because I'm going to try to loosen up these muscles a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. I'm using a technique on you. This is called Grafton. And this is going to help break up some of the adhesion and some of the scar tissue inside there. And the gel that I'm using is going to help the muscles relax, and it's going to also help the muscles to...
Blood flowing?
Yeah, just a little bit, yes. Most people have a lot of muscle spasm. You have a lot of muscle spasm. And so this will help relax the muscles a little bit. Okay?
And these the 3 days, the last 3 days,
Mm-hmm.
the weather was so bad. You know, it's cold, it's raining.
I understand. Yeah, no, I understand. It was, the rain has been very, very cold.
Yeah,
It's been
cold,
very wet.
windy, yeah.
Good. How does that feel? Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I'm going to get a little deeper with this in a minute. Okay, we're going to do one more thing. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more cream. Okay, and just relax. Too strong?
No.
Good. Good. Okay, I'm going to finish off with a little bit more cream. This is going to make it cold, okay? This is an instant freeze. Okay, it's going to make it feel nice and cold. And this is going to help the muscle heal. Okay? Yeah, this is going to cause the muscle will relax a little bit. It'll get rid of some of the swelling that's inside there. And it'll help decrease some of the pain that you have. Okay? So this isn't like Bengay. This is going to feel nice and cool. Okay, so this is going to get absorbed by your body, and you're going to feel it deep in those muscles. Good. do a little adjustment. Thank you, Fusion CBD, for sponsoring this video and sending us these products. Don't forget to use my code USA Chiropractic and click on the link below. I'm going to do a little tap on your hip here. You can feel a little tap. Good, just like that. Hold still. Same thing this side, easy. And then the lower back here. Good. Just breathe easy. This is going to drop now. Okay. Do that a few more times. And on the right side, I'm going to go in the middle. Breathe in for me. Breathe out. Good. We're going to do it one more time. Breathe in and out. Good. Gotcha. Good. Relax here. Good. Very good. I'm just going to check you here. Just here. Just relax a little bit. Easy. Good. A little more. No. Just relax here. Back here in the middle. And come here a little bit. Okay. I want you to come and lay down on your back, please. Moving pretty good. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. So you feel numb on this side or on this side?
This side, both sides, but this is less.
Okay.
This is more here.
So when I raise this leg, relax the leg, relax the leg. Let it go. Where do you feel? When do you feel pain?
No pain there.
You feel numb?
No, not numb. Here is the numbness. Yeah, or on top of this. Yeah, this one. The whole
Okay.
thing. Yeah.
So this is what I want you to do. So you said you have pain here, no?
Here.
Okay.
And now see.
Okay. So this is what now. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to lay down on the floor. Leave your leg, drop. Make it relaxed. And what I want you to do is I want you to put your leg on a table or a chair, and I want you to take this, your toe, and point it the other way. Point this way, and come back. Point it, and come back. Point it, do it slow. Point it, hold, come back. Point it, hold, come back. Point it, hold, come back. We do that 10-15 times. Very important.
Yeah, that will lose that. It is coming from here. See?
Yes, I know.
Going there.
I know. So this, when you do this, it stretches this nerve. Okay?
Yeah.
So point, the other way. Point, come back. Point, come back. All right? You do that 10-15 times. Okay? You do 10-15 times here. Then you go the other side. Yeah, I know you feel that. Same thing here. Point, come back. Point,
Stretch.
come back. Point.
But sometimes, when I sleep and it happens like
You get
this,
the cramp.
and the muscle on muscle.
Cramp, I know.
Yeah, so I had to
I
just stand up.
Sometimes you have to stand up, I know. I know. But I want you to do this before you go to bed.
Okay.
So that if you do this before you go to bed, you won't get cramps at nighttime.
Okay.
Point. Go back. Point. And come back. Okay? Relax here. So I'll show you one more thing. Can we sit up? Can we sit up? Easy. Good. So I want you to sit back. So I want you to sit down at home. So that exercise where you raise your leg, before you raise the leg, you do it sitting down here on the floor. You point like this and come back.
Okay, like this.
This goes off the table. Off the table. Like this. So you stretch the leg. Okay? You point. You go back. Yep. You point. You go back. Keep the leg straight. I know you feel that. I know you feel that. I know. But the cream will loosen up the muscle. Point. Come back. So you do 10, 15, you do 10 to 15 this side. And bring this down, do this side.
I'm seeing my legs are bent.
I know.
It's not straight.
I know, we need to make it straight. Make it straight. Right?
I don't know how to do
I know. Well, you're not a young boy anymore, right?
Yeah.
Come down here.
67-year-old.
There we go. Point. Come back.
But still I am alive. That's God.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
gift,
right.
yeah.
That's right. God's gift is we are alive.
Yeah.
Come back.
This is, yeah.
Point.
But this is making a lot of pressure here.
I know.
These muscles.
That's okay. You have to do it. You have to do it.
You have to do it, right?
Come back. Come back. Okay, so this is what you do. So you do it. You do this 10, 15. You do this 10 to 15 times, okay? And then you do it again 10 to 15 times. Then you do it 10 to 15 times. So you do it seated first with your leg off, right? And then you do it on the floor with your leg up, with your leg raised.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So on the chair or on the couch or on the bed like this,
Anything, yeah.
one leg off. You do this 10, 15. Then you switch. You do this one at a time. And then when you're done on the seat, then you lay down on the floor. You raise the leg, and you point 10, 15, and 10, 15. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. And that'll stretch the nerve, and it'll unlock the back. Okay?
Yeah.
And you'll feel better. Come back in 2 weeks. Show me how you feel. Tirado, if you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.